Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akbar Lutfiansyah Devari, and today I would like to presentations about data mining. Data mining is a process used by companies to turn raw data into useful information. By using software to look for patterns in large batches of data, business can learn more about their customers to develop more effective marketing strategies, increase sales and decrease costs. Data mining depends on active data collections, warehousing, and computer processing. Data mining involves exploring and analyze large blocks of information to glean meaningful patterns and trends. It can be used in variety of ways, such as database marketing, credit risk management, fraud detection, spam email filtering, or even to discern the sentiment or opinion of users. The data mining process breaks down into 5 steps. First, organizations collect data and load into their data warehouse. Next, they store and manage the data either on in-house server or the cloud. Business analysts, management turns, and information technologies professionals access the data and determines how, how they want to organize it. Then, application software sorts the data based on the user's results. And finally, the end user presents the data in an easy to share format, such a graph or table. Data mining programs analyze relationships and patterns in data based on what user requests. For example, a company can use data mining software to create classes of information. To illustrate it, imagine a restaurant wants to use data mining to determine when it should offer curtain specialists. It looks at the information it has collected and creates classes based on when customer visits and what they order. In other case, data miners find clusters of information based on logical relationship or look at associations and sequential patterns to draw conclusions about trend in consumer behavior. Warehousing is an important aspect of data mining. Warehousing is when companies centralize their data into one database of program. With a data warehouse, an organization may spin off segments of the data of specific user to analyze and use. However, in other cases, analysts may start with the data they want and create a data warehouse based on two specs. Regardless of how business and other entities organize their data, they use it to support management decisions making processes. One of the most lucrative applications of data mining has been that of social media platforms. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter gather streams of data about individuals' users to make inference about their preference in order to send targets marketing ads. This data is also used to try to influence user behavior and change their preference, whether it be for a consumer product or who they will vote for in elections. Data mining on social media has become a big point of contention, with several investigates, reposts, and expose showing just how nefarious mining users' data can be. That's all from me. Happy watching and thank you.